Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a nice recipe for breakfast and tea time for you today. First, add 2 glasses of warm water, small glass of milk, medium spoon of sugar. Add a pack of instant yeast and mix until dissolved. If you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sugar and yeast dissolved, I added flour. Mix well and roll up. Add some salt with a medium spoon. Now you can knead by hand. Where are you watching me from? Please leave a comment. We are kneading the recovered dough on the table. I use a total of 6 cups of flour. Cup size 200 milliliters. Divide into 4 equal parts. Then divide each meringue into 3 equal parts. Roll it in your palm. Get it all ready. Mix 100 grams of melted and cooled butter and a small glass of oil and prepare it like this. Prepare the meringues in this way and place them in the container. Oil the meringues well. Cover and leave for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes. Very nice fluffy. Take one of them and start opening. Put some oil on the table, it opens easier. It opens very well with our hands. Prepare it this way. Open as much as you can. Then, fold the two edges inward. I used cheese for the stuffing. You can use whatever you want. We'll cover it up and roll it up. Gently press the edges inward while wrapping. I take it to a tray lined with greaseproof paper. Prepare the other doughs like this. Very easy to make. This process ends in 15 minutes. Prepare the folding job like this. Cover and rest for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later. Mix 1 egg yolk and a medium-sized spoon of milk and rub it well. I recommend cooking in a preheated oven at 180 degrees in a controlled manner. Yes, friends, it is very well cooked. Take it out of the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes. It was soft dough. I want to show you one. Thank you all so much for watching me. Bon appetit!